Hi everyone, I'm Sunit Roy. Kitepay is a secure decentralized payment system for normal people like you and me. It aims to simplify decentralized payments for everyday people. Our mobile application currently runs on iOS and Android devices. It has a very user-friendly UI to create and manage wallets, and it currently supports peer-to-peer payments and QR payments. We have a pretty effortless sign-up process. Users can create a new wallet or import their existing one with one tap. At this moment, we support paying Sol by scanning QR, paying Sol manually to other addresses, creating QRs to receive payments, and you can also share your public key manually. Transferring Sol and SPL token to any account is pretty easy. Whenever there is a payment request to the app, a dialog pops up to make payments. And receiving payments are even easier as it lets you create QR payment requests which are compatible with all Solana wallets with Solana Pay. Here you can also manage and switch between accounts seamlessly. There is another separate page which shows you all of your recent transactions from your account. It also creates a unique QR for users each wallet address which can be easily downloaded or shared directly without the need to manually share the public key each time. It also lets you manage all of your existing accounts. You can edit your existing accounts and create new accounts with just one tap. You can also see your account address and export the seed phrase if you want. Unlike other payment projects, we are working on this way before Solana Pay launch, and I was also the fourth contributor in the Solana Pay project. And we have future plans of doing things like NFT billing, NFC payments, natively communicating with other wallets on mobile, buy now pay later on-chain program, cross-platform mobile SDK for Sol and USDC payments with easy to integrate UI components. We also have plans to support other chains like Lightning Network and Polygon, and creating payment and financial service marketplace for users and third-party smart contracts to natively interact. If this is something that makes you excited, feel free to connect with us in the following links.